If you have been looking for where to learn how to make a healthy ice cream, in today's video, I got your back. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about chocolate ice cream. That's what we are making today. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. Follow my page if you're watching me from Facebook. Like, share, and comment. Love you all for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you all. God bless you. So we need condensed milk, full cream milk, and it must be cold. It must be cold. Any type of full cream milk. In today's video, I'm using pig milk, but it must be full cream, not regular one. Full cream, it must be written. And Milo tea for chocolate color. So that is the ingredient. These three things is okay. And of course, you need a mixer and a bowl. So firstly, you have to pour in your already cold full cream milk into a bowl, and you start whisking it. You'll continue the process until it's thickened. Yes, it will be thickened. That is the milk will thicken. So when it's thickened, you now add your condensed milk and also whisk it too. So mix everything together. As you're doing it, you'll see that everything is thickening like pap. So when it's okay to your own satisfaction, don't over whisk it so that it will not start losing its thickness and start to become watery. So when you find out that it's already thickened, then you add your chocolate color, which is Milo tea. We are using Milo tea. Okay, just I'm not using the whole pack, just half of it. It's okay. So when you add, just add it bit by bit. When you add, you whisk and be shaking for its consistency. That is the thickness of it. Remember, don't over whisk it. Please, guys, give this my video a thumbs up. Give my video a thumbs up. Like it, share, and comment. If you are watching me from Facebook, please follow my page. If it is from YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you all. So into the process, you whisk it until it's thickened. Yes, we are done. And the color is wow. You see the brownie? Is it not brownie? Is it not chocolatey? And it's thick too. So guys, that is all you need to know about chocolate ice cream. And this one is healthy. Not too much, maybe corn flour, this, that. It's just comprises of healthy ingredients. Condensed milk, full cream milk, and your milk tea as chocolate. That's all. So I'm transferring it into my ice cream bowl, where I will now take it to my freezer for it to freeze. When it's frozen, you'll love it more. When it's also cold, you also enjoy it more. So guys, that is it. Share this video so that share it to your family members so that they can also learn these simple tips on how to make chocolate ice cream, healthy one as well. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.